haven't made a video for a while, but this is where I'm up to now. The shell's pretty much complete, all the rust fixed, nothing much else to do. All I was doing now is getting ready to have the panels and the car hydroblasted so I can get some paint on. And I was just stripping the doors and got this little surprise. You can see the bottom was rusted out, I didn't see that. So I'm going to have to fix that. I cut it out, this is what I'm left with. So I'm going to put some rust blasts on it, kill the rust, and then try and make a little panel and patch it up and see how I go. I had the car sandblasted and now I've got it etch primed. I just got to go around and do little repairs here and there now, things that I didn't see before. And I don't know if you can see it, I bought this tool here, dent puller. That's it there. It welds all the little needles on here. Pulling the seal out. It looks like this whole side of the car was in a pretty bad hit at one stage. And they've just bulked over the top of it. You can also see it's pushed in a bit here. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera. So I have to pull that out as well. And I've already pulled this out a bit. Now I just put my ruler on to check. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a low spot there. So on the low spot, I'm going to have to get another stud like that welded on and then pull it out. So you can just bend these out the way if they're in your way. Get the tool. Put it where your low spot is. That's it, ready for pulling. What you gotta do, get the slide hammer. Sorry about all the movement. It's hard one hand. Now, if a professional's watching this, he's probably saying, "Oh my God, what the hell is he doing?" Because, to be honest, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just learning as I go. But I've been pulling it slowly now. You see here I'm starting to get the curve in the quarter. Here too. Maybe that one's a little bit high. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera. There's no curve there, so I'm going to have to pull the center out a little bit more. And I'm just working my way along. But at least now I'm going to have about 1 mil of bog, whereas before it was about 3, maybe a bit more mil thick. So I'm just going to keep pulling away. Now when you think you got this right, what you do is you go on a pair of side cutters, cut all these off, then come back with a grinder and just grind the little ends out. I've got some filler on this, and I managed to pull the steel out at about 3 mil in some places, so hopefully I should only have to have about 1 mil or less of bog along the bottom here. Up here is going to be a bit thicker because there was not much I could do about it, but I'll still try and get it the best I can. Now I'm just going to work my way around the car, straighten out little bits and pieces, and then I can get some high build undercoat on and go from there. Sanding this back, I can feel a bit of a low spot there, so I'm probably going to have to fill that a bit more and then keep sanding. You just got to keep running your hands along it, and then you can tell what's right and what's wrong. It's right there. I've rubbed it back, put a guide coat over it to make sure it was all level. Now that's pretty much done. I also found a big low spot right here in the panel, so I've just bogged this whole area. I'm going to have to rub that back. And on the other side, same here, there was a big dent there, so I filled that, rubbed it back, and that's pretty straight now. I'm just working my way around the car, make sure it's all right, and then I can undercoat it and hopefully start to get some colour going.